range of music together for about 3 months. They make music for people who are interested in hybrid genres, original and experimental compositions. So get ready for a smooth, groovy and jazzy listening experience. Mull.
That's us. It's wonderful seeing so many familiar and new faces here. I'm glad everyone got here safe. To be fair, it's been a long trip, especially for us. We had to travel like 5 hours up here. So we're going to play for you, and we hope you enjoy. We're Mull. This is our first song called Stop. Take it away.
And give me one more time. And give me one more time. Start, now bring it back. And baby, you're so pretty. Stop before I get another fatal heart attack. shot, another drag, another shot, another drag, another shot, getting at your back. And stop, now bring it back. And baby, you're so pretty, stop before I get another fatal heart attack. Another drag, another shot, another drag, another shot, another drag, another shot, getting at your back. So just stop.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Now on to our second song, which is not an original, it's a cover. It's by Mac DeMarco. How many of you here like Mac DeMarco? Go on, give me a cheer. We love Mac DeMarco. It's one more love song, so we're gonna do our little rendition of that for you guys now. Please enjoy.
Never turn, never shift. One last kiss on her lips. Never dream you're putting down. After all this time, turns out all you had was one more love. It's out to break your heart. You set it up just to watch it fall apart. Ma-da-da-da-dum. Never try, never go. I never thought you'd be this low. Never dream you've put to bed. After all this time, turns out all you had was one more love. It's out to break your heart. You set it up just to watch it fall apart. Just to watch it fall apart. One more love. Just to watch it fall apart. One more love. It's out to break your heart. Set it up just to watch it fall apart.
That was the cover. Thank you so much. Now for our last song, an original. It's our favorite to play, so we hope that you'll enjoy it just as much as we do. This one's called Two Became One. Let's give it another go. Two became one, guys. Boo! Okay.
Oh, I wonder so exhausted. I'll just walk away, but you just end up following me to my house where it's all drawn out. Look at the chalkboards. I bite my nails and I dig at the turn and I claw at the dirt and I'm 6 feet under. And I'm underwhelmed that you're burdening me with your burdens. Tell me what is it that is on your mind, and I really don't mind. I really don't mind. And my feelings, they feel so sublime. Here you are making me scream from inside. And I'm too tired. I'm so tired. And I'm exhausted. So exhausted. Two became one, I become what I've dread. Two became one, now you're my head instead. Two became one. Two became one. Eye for an eye, but you're not giving a side. Eye for an eye, now you've stolen my light. Two became one, go in circles again. Two became one, go in circles again. Thank you so much. We are Mull. We hope you enjoyed, guys.